Hello, hello everybody. Joshua, TBC Consultants again. Thought I'd make a quick video today. Had an interesting thing happen to me the other day. My truck would not start. It would crank over, but it would give me a check engine light, would not fire off. Had this problem a couple years ago, and it wound up being this little bugger right here, which is a fuel check valve on the back of your head. When you shut the motor off, this holds the fuel inside the head, so whenever you go to fire off, it'll start right up. Talked to a couple different Detroit guys. They have never had to change this on any of their Detroits whatsoever before, so it was an interesting problem. But fortunately, I knew what it was, so I figured I would share it. There are some other things that you want to definitely check if you run into this problem. We'll walk around here to the other side. If you run into this crank over but no start problem, you're going to want to check a few things that are important. Right back here, if you're running a Detroit 60 series or a 14 liter, you're going to have your oil pressure sensor. You want to double check and make sure that that harness is in good shape and that you're plugged in tight and there's no debris on the inside of your connections. And also, it's going to be kind of hard to see, but right here behind the air compressor, down in this hole, is where your cam sensor is. So you also want to check that one if you're having a crank over but a no start. And obviously the clear thing to check as well is make sure you do have fuel, that your fuel pump is working. So if you have one of these glass filters, you'll be able to see your fuel level. If there's nothing here, then that can indicate that you have a different problem and you need to start looking somewhere else. So I figured I'd share that quick video with you guys. Hope everything's well. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you on down the road.